Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by gathering the exact URLs you want in your description: video links, channel links, playlists, and any affiliate or landing pages. Once done, shorten or brand links so they look clean and trackable. This improves click-through while keeping the description tidy. Make sure to test each link in a browser and on mobile. Then choose the display order. Primary call to action first, then timestamps, then secondary resources, because viewers scan top to bottom when reading descriptions. Now go to YouTube Studio and open the video details for the clip you want to edit. Paste your prepared URLs into the description field. Use the full URL so YouTube recognizes and formats it as a clickable link. While you type, add clear labels and brackets, like 0045 key tip, so viewers know what they're clicking. Once you finish, scroll to the bottom and click Save. This ensures links appear under the video and in mobile description expansions. Finish by saving and opening the live video page to confirm every link displays and opens correctly. Check both desktop and mobile. Make links redundant by adding core links to your channel about page and using cards or end screens for key CTAs. If a link doesn't work, clear your browser cache, resave the description, and ensure the URL includes the protocol, HTTP or HTTPS. Finally, monitor analytics to see which links get clicks and adjust placement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.